Hello and welcome to this Sunsoft ERP demonstration. My name is Alex Giuliano and today we'll be covering project management. Our software has a robust project management system with all the features you need to go from AutoQuote to AIA Invoice. Let's go ahead and start this demo by importing our project from AutoQuotes. For more information on our AutoQuotes interface, please see our AutoQuote interface demos. Now that the custom items on our project have been generated and the project has been imported through our AutoQuote interface, it's time to cut our purchase orders. To do this, we're going to go to our material plan and we're going to hit our Create POs button. Once we're in this screen, we can see all the vendors we need to purchase from and the subsequent items that we need to purchase from them. I'm going to go ahead and modify our ship to here because currently it's set to go to the project site, but I want to stage all of this in my warehouse. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to hit Copy Ship To, and that's going to copy the Ship To all of my POs. I'm going to go ahead and just double check that everything looks clean on them, and then I'm going to hit my lightning bolt to generate my purchase orders. Now that we've created all of our purchase orders, we've received a signed change order from our customer, adding a dishwasher to this project. To add this, we're going to go to our change order screen in the material plan. We accommodate any change order your project may need, from standard signed change orders for adds, changes, or deletes, to the oops, we forgot this and need to add it without changing the schedule of values, to going as far as the customer asking you to get something without a signed change order, knowing they'll get you one later. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and do a standard signed add change order to make sure this hits our schedule of values as a change order. We're going to go ahead and add this as item number 10. And we're going to go ahead and hit F9 to find our item. Beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and process this by hitting the lightning bolt to add this item. Now we've processed the change order successfully. We'll see when we go back to our material plan. If we scroll all the way down, item number 10 is now here. Now let's go ahead and cut a PO for that new item. Now let's say the POs have all come in and the product is staged in our warehouse. We're going to go ahead and go back to our material plan to ship these items. Now it's important to note after our POs have been received, we can see the quantity received and our quantity staged. So to ship our items, we're going to go ahead and go into our pick ticket screen. Now for this particular shipment, we are just going to ship items 1 and 3, and of course all of their corresponding accessories. Now that we've got our items selected, we're going to go ahead and hit Complete. For the purposes of this demo, we are going to skip printing the pick ticket and the packing slip and go straight to shipping the items. One last check to make sure all our quantities are in line, then we hit our lightning bolt. Once our items have shipped to the job, it's time to cut our first AIA billing. This can be achieved on our Money tab. For this first billing, we're going to do a 10% retainage, and of course we are going to bill for items number 1 and item number 3. Then we'll hit our lightning bolt to generate our AIA billing. Just that easily, we have a proper application for payment with a cover sheet and continuation page. Now that our project is billed in full and we've gotten the final sign-off, we can bill our retainage. We're going to go ahead and bill the full amount of retainage for this project. And hit our lightning bolt. Now that our project is complete, let's take a look at our final numbers on the project analysis. This report is going to show us every item and every expense that occurred on the project, what we expected to sell it for, what we actually sold it for, what we expected it to cost, and what it actually cost us, giving us a nice breakdown between our planned versus actual. You'll notice we also have a section that logs any differences between the item and what we thought it was going to cost us versus what we were actually invoiced for. We also properly capture any extra expenses and freight paid through AP to give a beautiful breakdown showing our actual versus our planned.